What's up, YouTube? So today I'm back up at Crystal River doing another crabbing video. I'm going to be crabbing out of my kayak, and if you're not familiar with my channel, I use the floating traps. And what I'm doing today is I'm taking the kayak out and I'm dropping 12 of these traps. In the state of Florida, there's no limit on how many of these traps you can use. You just can't leave them unattended. So I'm going to drop 12 of these traps on 30 feet of line. You probably don't need 30 feet of line. It just depends on how deep of water you're fishing or crabbing. And I got a pool noodle tied to it. So I'm going to throw them out and then throw the pool noodle out and then wait 15 minutes and check them. Real simple to do. As you'll see in today's video, very productive as well. I'm going to get everything loaded up and I'll see you guys on the water. Before we head out, I already see a crab here. I'm going to try the net real quick. There we go. You know, one of the things I do, just a little female here. I think it's, oh, yeah, it's a little female. One of the things I do when I get to a spot, I look around and see if I can see any crabs. And this is probably like the 5th one I've seen. So that's a good sign right there. And another thing I look for is, usually people leave like their trash, unfortunately. But if you're new to the area, usually a giveaway through this crab here. Like somebody's left some string. You look back here, there's like a chicken box there. So that tells me, look, people have done tying their strings to the tree and they leave it. I'll clean all this up before I leave, but that's what I look for when I go to a new spot looking for blue crab. All right, all I'm doing is I'm opening up the trap, I'm throwing it out to the side, and I'm dropping it straight down, just like that. And I'm running that shoreline all the way down and see if I can't pick up some that way. If not, we'll make a move. Here we go again. Open it up, throw it out. Let me get this over here. Got it. What do we got? Do we got one? Oh yeah. First pull, crab. We'll definitely take that bad boy. Heck yes. All right, I'm gonna get this one back out there. No reason not to. We got a crab on this one. All right, we'll move on to the next one. Here we go. Oh, another crab. Get him in a box, drop it back down. Got it. Ooh, double banger. Heck yes. We'll let that female go. All right, let's keep it going. Oh, I could definitely have one in here. Definitely have a crab in here, maybe two. Nope, just a nice crab. Look at that crab. It's a nice crab right there. Heck yes. Add him to the box. All right, let's get him. Let's get it. Oh. Oh, it feels heavy. See what we got. Oh yeah, two nice crabs. Look at that big boy. Two more crabs. That one right there is a really nice crab. I knew that was going to be a good one because it felt heavy. guys, let's get another one. I feel like there's one. Oh, he's already get out. Oh yeah, look at that one. Yes. All right. Got it. Oh, there's another crab on here too. Uh-oh, it might have got out. Nope, he's still in there. There we go. A little guy. We'll let this guy go. We'll get it back out. We'll just paddle up to this one. All right, here we go. Up, another little one. Put it back out here one more time. All right, guys, first time around, 12 traps. We call 8 crabs, 6 keepers. So that's pretty good. When you can average 50% keepers, boy, you can't complain about that. What I did was a few of my traps that didn't have anything in them, I just moved them just a little bit, just see if I can't pick up some crabs in a little bit different location. But yeah, I tell you, man, some of these crabs in here are really nice crabs. I don't want to get pinched because I'm in my kayak. No way of getting away from these guys. Look at that. Man, there's some nice crabs right there. Not bad at all. I'm gonna go head up to the truck. We're gonna put these guys in a cooler and we'll turn around and repeat what we just did. Oh, I feel like we got a crab in this one. Nope, we got 2 crabs. One big boy. Heck yes, I don't want to get pinched. Look at that. We'll let that one go. We're going to keep that one. We'll put them both in the bucket for now. Heck yes. Get it back out. Boom. All right, let's check these traps. I just moved all these traps all the way down to the end here, so hopefully we can get on some crabs here. First spot kind of dried up on me, so we just moved further down is all we did. Oh, there's a crab. Just a little guy. We're gonna let him go, let him grow. Come on, he don't want to go. Put my spot lock on. We'll put it back out one more time. I'll just put fresh bait on it. We'll put it back out one more time. We'll pull up this next one right here. I love doing this stuff, man. Like I said, catching the crabs is a bonus, but just being out here alone, to me, is worth it. It probably wouldn't make for a good video, but I sure enjoy it. Oh man, we definitely got crab in this one. Yep. Don't want to lose it, we got a double banger. There we go. Look at that. We'll take that for sure. We'll let that one go and we'll keep one. See if I can do it without losing both of them. Oh, I'm gonna get pinched. go. Heck yes. A little challenging with the wind and current. I'll have to move it out a little bit now. All right, guys, a little update. I got 8 in here now. Some decent ones, no big ones, but some decent ones. Got a couple more here that I'm going to release. Here we go. Let them go, let them grow. There's my kayak. It's an Old Town 120 autopilot. I love the trolling motor, has spot lock on it. It's great for like today when there's a strong current and a wind. No paddling hardly at all, so definitely makes my job easier. The winds today is supposed to be 5 to 10. Wrong. But it's all right, we're catching crabs. All right, this one's gonna be a little bit more challenging. You see my pool noodle floated up into the mangrove there. All right, I got it. Uh-oh. I might be too close. I might need to push myself off. There we go. See if it paid off. Oh. See if, oh, we got a crab. We got 2. No, 1 nice crab. Oh, woohoo, he almost got out. There, get out in the bucket. Heck yes. Now, I'm not gonna lie, that was a little bit challenging. There we go. All right, I got 2 right here I'm gonna check. If I don't have anything, I'll move them down to the end with the rest of them. All right, fingers crossed, man. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's a crab. There's a crab right there. All right, we'll take that one. We'll put it back out. All right, last couple of traps had crabs. A couple keepers too, we'll take that. Let's see if we keep it going right here. Got it. Oh, there's definitely one in here as well. Oh, I feel like it got out. I might be wrong. Yep, it got out. Dang it. Try this side. Let's get a couple of nice keepers here. I'd like to get about 2 more, 3 more big keepers. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's one right there. It's a nice crab right there. Heck yes. We'll take that. It has new bait on it too. Put it back out. Nice. Nice. Boom. So what do you guys think of this method? You guys like this method? Or you think you'd like to try this way? Oh, I think I got another one on here too. Oh, one just got out. Dang. But look, 2 more. I had 3 crabs in here. Male, a female, I don't know what got out. My guess probably another big male. Let that female go. Boom, man, that's awesome. Put it back down, maybe I'll get that male again. Look like a nice crab. This is the end of the runway, so hopefully we get a crab here. I thought about putting a couple out right here. Just looks good. Let's see what we got. Crab on. Little guy. Let him go, let him grow. Put it back out one more time before I freshen it up. All right, little update. Look at that right there. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 6 in there. Got 8 in the cooler. There's 14. I got 14 right now. And I released probably 5. So 19 crabs, not bad. Got my traps. I moved them from that side to this side. But man, again, an awesome day. It's mid-September. It's overcast, a little breezy. You know, the water temperature's cooled down a little bit, but it's still in the 80s. I'm saying it's probably about 85, I'm guessing. Like I said, tide's moving in. I could see the bottom here, but I can't see it anymore. All right, guys, I'm gonna head back to the truck, drop these guys off, get me a quick drink, and check them again. All right, see what we got on here. Oh, there we go. Double banger. There we go. A couple of nice crabs. One's a female. I'm gonna let them both go. I got plenty of crabs on the day. All right, here we go. Let's get a crab. I think we got one on actually. Oh yeah, crab on. There we go. Another crab. Like I said, I got plenty to eat. We're gonna let them go, let them grow. I got one more up here we're gonna check real quick too. Oops. Again, just another fun way to catch these crabs. All right, got it. Let's get it. Uh-oh, we got one on here for sure. It might be a big one on here. Oh, I lost one. I actually had 3 on. I had a triple. Still ended up with 2. Nice. We'll let this little one go. Oops. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. We'll keep that big one. Yes. Well, guys, that is a wrap. What an awesome day crabbing from a kayak. Caught a lot of crab. I think I kept 16 crabs. Not a bad day. Only about half a day crabbing too. But if you guys are interested in some of these traps, I'll link the information in the description below. Kraken Outdoors. Use Fishman15 and you'll get 15% off and free shipping. Last time I advertised for him, we sold him out in 2 days. So he finally got the stock back in, and he also said that he's going to do a 5-trap bundle for a bigger discount. I don't know what the bigger discount is going to be yet. Go check him out, Kraken Outdoors. In the description below, just click on it. Fishman15, get 15% off and free shipping. All right, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the water.